Hi, I want to pick the winner for the yarn, Karen Kindness yarn, and I will put the link for that down below. I think I had to find it on a different website rather than Amazon. If you're the winner, please contact me with your information, your address, and I'll send it out as soon as possible. My email is listed down below, and I want to say thank you everybody for subscribing and participating in the giveaway. I plan on doing more giveaways until I hear any further notice of any limitations on the post office. As of right now, I haven't heard anything. My whole entire family is healthy. We don't have any symptoms. Um, so if you still are comfortable with receiving a package for the yarn, please let me know. If I don't hear from the winner within a week or so, I'll have to pick a new winner. And let's see who the winner is. It's Agna. Congratulations, currently making a kimono. Thank you everybody for subscribing and for participating. And like I said, I probably will still continue future giveaways until I feel like they're telling us not to go to the post office. I don't know what to even know what's going to happen in the future, so you never know. All right, so thank you everybody for watching.